Chefs won't tell you this. Do this, not that. After years in professional kitchens, Angel said, I can tell you this. Restaurant food doesn't taste better by accident. Today she's sharing the real chef secrets most home cooks never learn. Angel's a retired chef, Bronx-born and Brooklyn-raised. She wants you confident at that stove. So we'll keep it simple, practical, and delicious. Stick with us and cook like a pro from your own kitchen. We'll talk layering flavor, heat, butter, acid, and resting. 5 fundamentals, countless wins. Let's cook smarter, not harder. First up, the foundation of flavor. Ready? Let's go. Secret number 1, season in layers. Don't just season at the end. Salt early draws moisture, then pulls flavor back in. That's how depth is built. Season before cooking, during cooking, and after cooking. Before, salt proteins 30 to 60 minutes ahead, or overnight on a rack for steak. Season your water. Rice, pasta, beans. Water should taste like the sea. Bloom spices and fat before anything else. It wakes up aromatics. Keep your tools ready. Salt, acid, spice, fresh herbs. During, small pinches as you build. Onions, salt. Tomatoes, salt. Each layer seasoned. Add liquid. Taste again. Adjust. Rub dried herbs to release oils. Add sturdy herbs earlier, delicate herbs later. Taste as you go so there'll be no surprises at the end. After. A touch of flaky salt for texture. Citrus zest, fresh herbs, a kiss of good olive oil. Super stew. A splash of vinegar at the end brightens everything. Add pepper last so the aroma stays. Too salty? Add unsalted stock, acid, or a starchy element like potato or rice. These two will absorb the extra salt and balance out the dish. Under-seasoned pasta water? Your sauce will work twice as hard, so salt early. Use consistent salt and learn its pinch. Kosher salt is forgiving. Layering is the difference between flat flavor and fantastic flavor. Season before, during, and after. On to heat. Secret number 2. High heat matters. Restaurants are not afraid of heat. Proper searing requires confidence. Hot pan, dry surface, and don't crowd. Moisture is the enemy of browning. Lay it away from you, let it make contact, then, hands off. Give it time. Browning equals flavor. Take a peek once for color, then flip just once. Use temperature, not guesswork. Have a meat thermometer or instant read thermometer handy. They're not as expensive as you may think and worth the cost. High heat isn't just meat. Stir fries need breath of the wok. Fast, hot, moving, don't crowd. Space gives steam somewhere to go and helps keep the sear. Choose the right fat. High heat oils to sear, butter later to finish. Some high heat oils are safflower, avocado, and ghee. Clarified butter. Vent and prep your space. Heat has rules. Wet pan equals pale, colorless meat. Dry pan equals an amazing crust. Set short timers to resist fidgeting. Patience tastes better. Once you respect heat, the kitchen respects you back. Now that you've got the sear, let's talk butter. Turn the heat down to finish with finesse. You're gonna like this next part. Shine, richness, mouthfeel. Coming right up. Secret number 3, butter finishing. Many restaurant dishes are finished with butter for shine, richness, and mouthfeel. Take the pan off heat. Whisk in cold butter so it emulsifies, not splits. Small pieces, constant swirl. Add aromatics to baste, thyme, garlic, crushed pepper. Tilt the pan, baste, repeat. Fish, steak, pan sauces, roasted veg, butter brings it together. Brown butter adds nuttiness, but stop before it burns. No dairy, whisk good olive oil off heat for a silky finish. Less is more. Let it whisper, not shout. Butter's richness needs balance. Enter acid, your secret accelerator. A little splash, big results. Watch this. Secret number 4. Acid balances flavor. A small splash can wake up an entire dish. Lemon, vinegar, wine, different acids, different moods. Bright, round, complex. Citrus on grilled proteins cuts richness. A touch of sherry vinegar wakes up beans and stews. Wine to deglaze lifts fond and builds sauce. Quick pickles add snap to rich dishes. Add at the end for brightness, or earlier to mellow it out. Start small. You can always add more. With dairy, use zest or reduce heat first to avoid curdling. Taste, then trust your tongue. Balance lives between salt, fat, and acid. Hit all three. Greens, grains, sauces. Finish with a spark. Now, one last secret before you dig in. Let it rest. Seriously. Secret number 5. Resting protein. Cut too early. Lose the juice. Resting lets moisture settle back in. Guideline: steaks 5 to 10 minutes, big roasts 15 to 30. Slice across the grain for tenderness. Keep plates warm so rest time doesn't mean cold food. Save resting juices. Liquid gold for your sauce. Patience pays off on the plate. You did that. We invite you to like this video and to become part of our community. Subscribe for more real chef knowledge you can use at home. While you're feeding your body, we'd love to help you feed your soul. Check out our sister channel, Bible Scripture Lives, where you'll see the Bible come to life in cinematic form. The link is in the description. And as always, many blessings and much favor. Until we meet again, we will see you next time. Cook with love. See you soon.